I hope people will take away an understanding, I think, of humanity, and that they'll just become even more active in whatever choices, truths they're holding on to make this world just a better place.
Jefferson said in every 20 years, Americans need a bit of rebellion. A bit of rebellion.
Spiritual freedom. How do you go about getting spiritual freedom? Spiritual freedom. How do you go about getting spiritual freedom?
The question is, what are you looking at? What? Not just what are you looking at, what do you see?
Handle what we have.
The perfect citizen you want to have, you right? I mean, who thinks about stuff, who wants to improve things.
First of all, people are supposed to get involved in creating media.
It's about, do you really want to serve?
We want to define ourselves.
Let's lift our community up.
I'm not interested anymore. I need to go further.
Let's execute. Let's involve the community now. Let's involve the community now.